AccountingBi integrates with your accounting software to make it easy to obtain the real-time financial data for your Excel, PowerPoint, and Power BI reports. Use AccountingBi to sync your transactional accounting data, contacts, reports, and more into an Excel or Power BI file and build your own financial reports. Link this real-time data to your existing Excel-based budget or cash flow forecast, or link this data to one of our Excel or Power BI templates. To get started, register for your with free trial AccountingBi, where you will receive 100 free credits to test some of your reports. Then, within organizations, you can select the accounting system that holds the data for your reports. After connecting your accounting system to AccountingBi, you go to the Reports section to select the type of data you wish to use for your reports. Just a little pointer whilst you test your reports. Try not to call a large report at this stage, as you may use up your credits. Once your data is within AccountingBi, you can begin to pull the data into your new or existing reports. To do this, you go to Connectors, where you will see 4 options available to you. Our Power BI connector allows you to install our AccountingBi connector within your Power BI desktop report, where it will be listed within your Get Data options. Our Excel add-in is available within your Excel desktop or Excel web and allows you to pull your data via the Home tab in your Excel reports. The other 2 options, a common feature found within Excel and Power BI, known as Power Query. This can seem scary to certain users not used to Power Query, but trust us, it is worth the effort to understand this powerful tool. Once you have selected your chosen connector method, it's time to open your Excel or Power BI report. This could be a blank Excel or Power BI file, an existing Excel or Power BI with your current reports, or one of our AccountingBi templates. If you need some help, get in touch with our team Excel and Power BI experts. So that's how you use AccountingBi and achieve financial brilliance. Visit AccountingBi.